Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sweet tea. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need water, about 8 to 10 black tea bags, 1 to 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, and a fresh lemon for garnish. Using filtered water can significantly enhance the taste. Select a robust black tea, such as orange pekoe, for a classic flavor. Next, let's brew the tea concentrate. Bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in a saucepan. Once boiling, remove the pan from the heat. Immediately add 8 to 10 black tea bags to the hot water. Allow the tea to steep for 5 to 7 minutes. This steeping time is crucial for developing a strong, flavorful base without bitterness. Now, it's time to sweeten and dilute your tea. Carefully remove all the tea bags from the concentrate. While the tea is still hot, stir in 1 to 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Continue stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then, pour this sweetened concentrate into a large, gallon-sized pitcher. Add 6 to 8 cups of cold water to dilute it. Finally, give the tea a good stir to ensure all the sugar is evenly distributed throughout. Place your pitcher of sweet tea in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours, allowing it to chill thoroughly. Serve this refreshing beverage over ice, perhaps with a slice of fresh lemon or a sprig of mint for an extra touch. Enjoy your homemade sweet tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.